All right, so for example, when it says Ty went to the store and bought a video game for $35 and a controller. He spent $63 at the store. Write an equation where X is the cost of the controller. So what they want us to do is they want us to write, all they want us to do is to write the equation. And then they told us what value to use, which is X, and that is the cost of the controller, okay? Another important information is that when he went to the store, he bought a video game, and actually let me use a different color. He bought a video game for 35 and a controller, okay? And we know that he spent 63, okay? So then if we're looking at the strip diagram, and I expect you guys to write this on your papers, okay? This bigger box means the total, okay? So that is the total amount that he bought. So that's why it's the bigger box. So now I know that in total, he spent 63 at the store. So he spent 63, all right? And then we also know that the video game, which is part of the cost him 35. But they never said how much the controller was, but they did tell us to use the letter X, the variable X, okay? So now that I have this right here, because we're talking about a total, remember our total always goes at the end, and that's going to be our $63, okay? Because remember our totals go at the end. So in order to know when we're spending, right, what the cashier does is that they scan the items, and then in the computer, they're getting the total of your cost. So that means when they're doing that, what operation are they doing to get the total? They're adding. So then we're going to have to add these two together because we're combining them. So it's going to be 35 plus your X. Okay. Remember, if we use the commutative property as well, we can also write it as X plus 35 is equal to 63. And both of these are the same. Okay. So make sure to write this down and move on to the next example.